Okay, so we're looking at the second video on polygons, and we're looking at regular and irregular polygons. So, easy definition: regular polygons, all the angles, also all the sides are equal, and all the interior angles are equal. Okay, so if you've got a pentagon, for instance, with 5 sides, so the 5 sides are equal, and the 5 angles are equal. Okay, and there'll be an example coming up on how to find those angles. And an irregular is they're not all the same. Some of them might be the same, but they're not all the same. Okay, so can you just copy that down and come across, and we'll work through some examples. Okay, so first one is example 1. Find the internal angle. So internal means inside, so it just means inside angle for a regular pentagon. So we don't need to sketch it. Okay, so what we have to do first of all is, so a pentagon has 5 sides, and from the previous video, when you have 5 sides, you've got 3 triangles. Just have to subtract 2. Okay, so 3 triangles is 180, so that equals 540 degrees, and then the 540 degrees divided by 5, so each angle is 108. So for every side there's an angle, and just divide by the number of sides. So that's for a regular pentagon. So copy that and come across. Okay, so now what we've got is an irregular shape, and I've done a pentagon again. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 3 triangles again. So we've got 540 degrees, but they're not all equal to 108. So I've got 120, I've got 100, I've got 120, and I've got 100. So I add up those numbers, and I get 440 degrees. But the total is 540. So the difference, so 540 minus 440 equals 100. So in this one, x is just 100, the missing angle. So they average to 108, but they don't all have to be 108. Okay, so copy that one and come across. Okay, I've got another irregular one, but this time I've got 2 angles missing. Okay, they both got the letter x in them, so we're going to form an equation. So again, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 5 sides, which is 3 triangles, and we've done this calculation a few times already. So it's 540 degrees. So I've got 140 plus 100 plus 120. So I've got 360 degrees. So we get 540, subtract, that gives me 180 degrees. So I know whatever's left over has to equal 180. So that means that 2x, one angle, plus the other angle, x minus 20, equals 180. So this angle plus this angle equals the 180. So I've got 3x minus 20 equals 180, because I can add the x's together, and then I add 20 to both sides, and then I just divide by 3. Now that doesn't equal a nice number. It's 66 2/3, but that's the answer. X equals 200 on 3. So you don't have to have all the angles, but you do have relationships. If the 2 angles are missing, they'll both have x's or something in them. Okay, copy that and come across. I think I've got one more example to go. Okay, so in this last example, I have a polygon that has an angle sum of 1800 degrees, but I don't know how many sides. Okay, so what we've got is lots of triangles, but every triangle has 180 degrees. So there's lots of triangles in 1800 degrees. And so what I worked out is just to do the calculator. So I've got 10 triangles in this shape. And if I've got 10 triangles, I must have 12 sides. So this particular polygon has 12 sides. Okay, so you work out how many triangles by dividing by 180. Okay, once you've got the number of triangles, you just add 2 to the number of triangles, and that's how many sides you've got. Okay, and that's it. There's worksheets on Moodle for you to do. Thanks, bye.